Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to use TreeView control with the XML sitemap. Previously we saw the menu control, right? Now if you look at, we displayed the controls, TreeView control here to display the menu hierarchy. So here the advantage is the control shows the hierarchy in a tree structure. You can see here, this is the home page. When you expand this, it will display product main, web and main, and about us, right? And when you expand the product main, it will show traditional cooking and psychology, right? So that's the use of the tree view, and now we will use the tree view to map that with the XML sitemap. The TreeView control displays hierarchical information in the table of content format, right? So that's the use of a TreeView control. Now we will link these to our XML sitemap. The procedure will be same. Previously we linked the menu control with the XML sitemap. This time we are going to link TreeView with the XML sitemap. We have sidebar free to experiment this, as we deleted. We haven't yet deleted. We will delete this in this video. So here what we are saying is the master page. In the master page, we experimented the menu by placing it in the banner side. Now in the master page we have a static menu, right, in the sidebar. We will remove that static content and place the TreeView control and experiment the TreeView control in this video. Now let's go to the demo. So now we are at the layout page master, and this is our banner, right? We will delete this. This is a menu control, so you just click that and deleting it. Now this is free now. Now we can move the tree view to this side bar area, and if you see here, it is showing TD, right? This is also TD, and this part we will be using to display the actual content. So that's why we are using the side layout and dropping the control. So now this is tree view, and in the auto format we will go ahead with the RS2 style, apply that, then choose data source as XML sitemap, save the content. That's all. So since the sitemap is ready, it can be hooked to any control. Previously we hooked that to the menu. Now we hooked the XML sitemap with the TreeView control. Let's run and examine this. So this is the menu which we created previously, and here if you see, the same stuff is displayed in a hierarchical manner, right? This is the tree view home. If you expand, you will see 3 child of the home. One of the child contains 2 more child. So if you expand, you can see, right? Now you can click any link you want. This is the about page, and this is the psychology page, right? That's all here in this video. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.